Hi, I'm Stu with TERRO, and today I want to talk about cockroaches. A lot of you know TERRO for our liquid bait for ants. We're known for ant control. Well, when we go after a new pest, we like to go after them with the best product you can buy. And if you have cockroaches in your house, this is the best product available. We're familiar with bait stations. You see them for sale. You buy 6 of them. They're in little plastic containers. They have a little peanut butter and a little insecticide. That's a bait station. You put 6 or 8 of them out. You get some control, maybe a little control, maybe not so much control, okay? But today, I'm gonna show you a different way to apply bait. Inside this small container, in this applicator, is 150 bait stations, bait placements. This is a powdered bait. It's a bait that when a cockroach comes up to it, they're attracted to it because it's a food-based product. The product is also very finely ground, so it gets on their bodies and they clean it off and ingest it during that. They spread it around to other cockroaches. Cockroaches need 3 things. They need food, water, and harborage. Harborage is the key, okay? So the first thing to do is clean up things. Don't leave a bunch of junk laying around, put the dog food away. But all those things are available in kitchens, so that's a lot of times where we'll see a cockroach. A lot of times they'll come in on other products. Now, we could put 2 or 3 bait stations out there and hopefully the cockroach would run into it. But why don't we put out, I don't know, 30 or 40 bait placements? They've been doing it in the structural pest control industry. The pros have been using this type of application for years, and now it's available to you in the consumer market. Except what we've done is made it easy for consumers to apply. This is an applicator, and there is the powdered bait inside. And when you press down on it, it siphons up a little bit of the bait. It doesn't take very much. A little bit of the powdered bait comes up into the dip tube, and then when you press down, you leave a very small bit of powder. All right, with any application of insecticide in your house, you always want to do it what we call crack and crevice, okay? Now, this is a typical area where you might see a cockroach in a kitchen, and that is where? Harborage. Where's the harborage? Around the refrigerator, underneath the refrigerator. So this would be the type of place, if you saw a cockroach, that you would apply this product. How? Remember, you would come in and simply depress, and you can come along to this crack. You can just see a small cloud of that, well, this brown bait, this powdered bait being applied. And when cockroaches run into it, they're gonna be attracted to it. Again, this is a product that's been used by professionals for 15 years maybe, and in areas where they have really, really tough cockroach problems. And now TERRO's brought it to homeowners. So we hope you enjoy TERRO Bait Powder. It works.